So it was a cold, damp, wet summer's day, and I thought what better thing to do than go to a local garden centre and have a look at wonderful plants. But instead of trying to find a plant I wanted to buy, I thought with the cost of plants going up, I would look for the most expensive plant I could find in the garden centre. And the first area I thought I should try out was the houseplant section, because lots of houseplants are extremely expensive now. And I came across a variety of nice houseplants, and an alocasia drew my eye, and this was £70 for an alocasia in a pot, and a MOSTERA cheese plant was £170. Then I checked out the bonsais, which can be very expensive, and this one was £200. Then I thought I would head outside and look for tree ferns, which are always very expensive. And there was lots of different ones to have a look at here, and the most expensive one was £540 for a 6-foot specimen. And then I realised it's not just exotic plants that are expensive. More traditional plants like acers are also very expensive because it takes a long time to grow them. And I came across this specimen in a large pot, and this was a massive £750, but it wasn't the most expensive plant I found in the garden centre. That went to the olive tree, which came in at a whopping £995.